Welcome to a captivating journey across India's most distinctive states, Kerala and Chhattisgarh, where culture meets nature.
Kerala. Now, let's begin our journey into Kerala, a land often celebrated as God's own country, famous for its serene backwaters, lush green landscape, and vibrant cultural traditions. Kerala offers experiences that are both peaceful and enriching. In the next slides, we'll explore the top 3 tourist destinations that capture the true essence of this beautiful state, its natural charm, cultural elegance, and unforgettable travel experiences. For that, I'd like to invite Nakshatra, Affan, and Anaya. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Do you know Alapi is the Venice of the East? It is a jewel Kerala known for its enchanting backwaters, traditional houseboats and lush coconut groves. A stay here offers rare charm of gliding peacefully through waters on a houseboat surrounded by with soothing beauty of a nature. The swaying coconut palm add to tropical charm, painting a picture of serenity and lush coconut groves. To complete the experience, Alapi delights visitors with its rich local cuisine, fresh seafood, and aromatic dishes infused with Kerala's signature spices, making every moment here a true feast for the senses. Thank you.
Munnar, the jewel of Western Ghats. Nestled in the misty embrace of the Western Ghats, Munnar is a paradise for nature lovers. Renowned for its endless tea gardens, rolling hills, and breathtaking landscapes. The lush tea plantation not only offer views but also provide the fascinating process of tea making. Next is Anamudi Peak, highest in South India. It invites trekkers and panoramic views of valleys and hills. Munnar truly captures the essence of tranquility, adventure, and natural beauty in one unforgettable destination. Thank you. Hey everyone, now it's time to talk about Queen of the Arabian Sea, Kochi. It's a vibrant blend of history, culture and coastal charm at Fort Kochi. The echoes of colonial past come alive through the landmark like Ditch Cemetery and Siri Fort Kochi Beach. The city charm is future enhanced by the stage of icon Chinese fishing net, especially at sunlight, where traditional fishing techniques create a picture, perfect moment unique to its region. Adding to its culture and richness is the Matanjari balance adorned with executing murals that narrate Kerala's royal history to fascinating destination, where tradition and history meet the sea. Thank you.
Now, let's step into the heart of Chattisgarh, a land of natural wonders, cultural treasures, and unique experiences. In this section, we will explore the top 3 tourist destinations that showcase the state's breathtaking beauty, vibrant traditions, and unique experiences, all waiting to be discovered. For that, I would like to invite Fadia, Varun, and Aldev. Thank you.
Chitrakoot Falls, often called the Niagara of India, is one of the most spectacular natural wonders of the country. Cascading down in majestic display, it's among the largest waterfalls in India, laying down visitors with sheer power and beauty. Chitrakoot also offers a cultural experience as visitors can engage with the local tribes and witness a rich tradition, making the journey not only sonic but also deeply meaningful. A boat ride here completes the overview of the waterfalls. Thank you.
Boramdev Temple. The Boramdev Temple, often called the Cochin of Chattisgarh, is a masterpiece of Asian Indian architecture, set amid serene natural surroundings. It integrates carving depending deities and mythological scenes, showcase breathtaking artistry and craftsmanship that captivate every visitor. Beyond its beauty, temple holds the immense of historical and cultural significance, drawing pilgrim historian, a traveler like to explore the spiritual of artistic heritage of region.
Kangar Valley National Park, a natural wonderland. Kangar Valley National Park is one of India's most stunning biodiversity hotspots, offering a perfect blend of nature, adventure, and discovery. Surrounded by dense forest, the park is home to rare wildlife species, making it a paradise for animal lovers and photographers. Its fascinating limestone caves with unique geological formation add a sense to mystery and wonder. Alongside its breathtaking waterfall, flora and fauna, Kangaroo Valley stands as a true sanctuary for nature enthusiasts and researchers seeking to experience the wild beauty of Chattisgarh. Thank you.
Kerala and Chhattisgarh together reflect the incredible diversity and richness of our India. While Kerala enhanced with its serene backwaters, misty hill stations, and vibrant coastal heritage, Chhattisgarh captivates with its majestic waterfalls, ancient temples, and thriving biodiversity. Kerala embodies tranquility and cultural elegance, where Chhattisgarh showcases raw natural beauty and historical depth. Together, these two states highlight the unity in diversity that defines India's tourism landscape, offering travelers unforgettable journeys through culture, nature, and heritage. Thank you all for watching our presentation.